Okay, somebody was asking about the side light. I'll go ahead and show you how you can take this one out. Again, just a little screwdriver. Go ahead and pry it from the side, and then you can see there's that, like another little retaining clip right there. Retaining clip right there that holds it in place. Lift up, and this, twist that, and then that comes out. And that is the same bulb as the brake lights, right? Or the third brake light. The third brake light is made up of 4 of these little bulbs, and so that one fits there. I think it's the same bulbs as the license plate as well, and also the same bulb that's found in that interior light, the map light next to the dome light. All right, so this is the one. So you go ahead and get a new bulb. I have to replace this one. You put the bulb in, turn it, and then make sure you're all the way down. And once you are, there it goes. It goes right back in. And I think I ruined it. We'll get back to that. There it goes. So yeah, that's how to replace that one.